Welcome back. The romantic look is incomplete without berry lips, flushed cheeks and soft curls. Here's how you can get the look. And so I'm headed to makeup expert Vidya Tikari to try out the look on myself. Time for some DIY. Vidya, red, pink, peaches and cream, they're all colors of romance and that's perennial. So what look do you recommend for the day and night?
Well, Ambika, for the day, I'm definitely going to concentrate more on your twinkling eyes. For the night, it's going to be luscious lips.
Can't wait.
Now I'm going to use a L'Oreal True Match foundation simply because it's so fine and it looks flawless during the day and it really sits well on the skin. And I shall begin.
So can you recommend 2 eye products that one can quickly use and then really make your eyes twinkle?
First and foremost, get a nice sparkly base on the eyelids and volume mascara.
So let me try using the mascara.
A great tip for thickening up your eyelashes is actually to just zigzag on the base of the lashes. So Ambika, why don't you have a try?
Super. So I just go zigzag, right?
Right on the lash line.
Well, the recipe for romantic twinkling eyes is easy. All you need is L'Oreal's Volume Million Lashes and just apply zigzag on your eyelash baseline. I love it. I love the gloss. I love the mascara. So this is your Pop Princess romantic look for the day. How does one glamorize this day look for the night?
Well, Ambika, definitely I'm going to work on your eyes. You've got beautiful eyes. I'm going to smoke them up and make them look super sexy. The best way to use this L'Oreal Super Liner, you start from the middle, work to your outer edge, start from the inner corner and work to the middle. And the best thing about this carbon gloss is it's felt tipped, it's easy to use. So Ambika, I suggest you to use the L'Oreal Pink Beige Lipstick.
Let's add the finishing touch. I actually like this color. I think this color works well for the Indian skin and you can just apply it like a lip gloss. It's super. Thank you so much, Vidya.
You're welcome, Ambika.
And Mohan, I think you have oodles of pointers for Alicia, who's at your go down right now.
Alicia, I think that looks fabulous. How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel changed.
You look straight out of The Great Gatsby. The 20s come alive.
It has actually.
So are you ready for stage 2?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I like the excitement, but I'm going to turn it around a little bit. I'm going to let you pick the clothes. The theme is romantic. That's my rack. Come and select what you think fits into the romantic mold. Are you up to this challenge?
I'm not too sure.
Give it a shot. Let's see what you can pick up.
Let's see.
Yeah? So let's give her some time and not pressurize her while you guys take a break. I think you need something which cinches your waist. Welcome back. I think I got a message. Yes, it's a message from Ambika. And she's calling me mean. And she says, you're a mean man, Mohan. But did she pass? Just about to find out. Did you figure it out? And?
I failed.
You failed?
Yes.
Well, the color is very obvious. It's red, romantic, it's fabulous. But I think you need something which cinches your waist.
So Mohan, now can you please help me?
I will. So you stay right there. Let me pick out the clothes for you. I have this one here which is slightly dropped. But I also have this beautiful green one.
I really like this.
And I think this waist might just fit you perfectly. Also, while you're at it, these are all the floral prints, floral romantic, you know, the voluminous skirt attached. I also want you to try this beautiful lace shift dress. I know it's going to be a little sack-like, but I'm going to cinch it with the belt. So can we try all these on you?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you game?
Yes, I am excited again.
All right. So what do you think?
I like it.
I like it too actually. But I'm just not sure about this color one to begin with. I like the silhouette, cinch of the waist is lovely. Goes well with the shoes, with their hair clips. It looks very nice, but can we try one more change?
Sure.
Yeah?
I would love to.
Let's go. How elegantly romantic are you looking? It's beautiful. Like I said earlier, the trick is to know how much is too much. But with a dress like that, you can go all out lace. Ambika, I think the dress you sent is working fabulously. I think it's really very nice, but what has happened is both the dresses are going in the pastel mode. I want some color. Color is also very, very romantic. So can we try the next option?
Yes.
Yes. I think this is absolutely fabulous.
Is it?
It's cinching your waist, it's a lovely color, it's got the whole romantic feel to it. It is fabulous. I think this calls for a picture. Give me a nice pose. There you go, Ambika. What do you think?
I love it. Well, it certainly calls for a gift to a lovely model, doesn't it?
I agree, Ambika. A lovely gift hamper for you from L'Oreal Paris.
Thank you
with
so much.
lots of romantic makeup and goodies.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm so excited.
It was a pleasure having you, Alicia. And as for you, write into us at style@ndtvgoodtimes.com and tell us which is your favorite look. Until next week, adios.
All fairy tales must have happy endings. Do join us again next week to celebrate the beginning of another journey on I'm Too Sexy, Get the Look. Goodbye. Red Carpet Style Decoded. This week we come to you from the heart of Hollywood. From old school Hollywood divas to international pop star Jay Sean's style mantra.
If you're a pop star, you gotta look like the pop.
And with trends that spell glamour, Mohan Neelakantan transforms one lucky lass into a desi diva.
I really like the whole sequin thing happening inside.
Only on I'm Too Sexy, Get the Look on NDTV Good Times.